Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to use ChatGPT to build a budget and forecast model. It's a very time-consuming process to do annual budgets and do quarterly forecasts. Usually involves a lot of files that come from multiple people that they need to be consolidated into Excel files, and data moves to a different template, and it's consolidated again. It's very time-consuming and a difficult exercise. ChatGPT is actually offering a better solution. It's Excel based, essentially free, no paid software whatsoever. And the way it works, what you see on my screen is kind of a description of that model. It takes those same Excel files, then it generates out of them CSV files, which are consolidated through Power Query into a master Excel file to produce a final model. This approach is easy because this master file is not linked to individual Excel files, so there are no broken links, no long recalculations, no changes in data sets. All data in this model is essentially is validated and it's accurate and it works. And when anything changes, a new file is created, pushed into this model, and model is rebuilt and recalculated. I have a very basic model and it includes several pieces. It includes capacity piece and a demand piece. So for capacity, we look at people, how many people we have, hours, cost, and things of that nature. And then for equipment, it's obviously this model can be extended to include other direct cost and other expenses to make it more complex. For demand side, we'll look at backlog, pipeline, and emergent business that we know come usually based on experience. These are kind of key descriptions of that model, what's included and how it works. And let me switch into Excel file. Again, this is a very basic template. And the file itself includes multiple tabs. It includes input, calendar, capacity, equipment, backlog, pipeline, and emergent business. And this what you see on my screen. This is kind of an output. And I have two key charts. There are some additional charts, but I want to ignore them for the moment. I'll ignore them for the moment. So for capacity demand, it shows total capacity for the business and total demand. And you can see like total capacity, which is calculated based on people available, equipment hours, and it calculates, how much work a business can complete. And then the red line shows demand coming, and the demand is coming with this, you can see it on this chart on the right. It's coming from backlog, pipeline, weighted pipeline, obviously, and emergent business based on historical performance. And then you can see where demand exceeds supplies and vice versa. The beauty of this model is that, it's very flexible. It does not require any paid software. It's based on Excel and multiple Excel files that are available in each business. And then those Excel files are massaged to create easy outputs, and then create a database that function as budget and forecast models that can be updated as frequently as the underlying data changes. That's how it works. And if you have this first video, I'm going to make more videos to go further into details and show how this database works behind the scene, what other things you can do with that model besides just, creating simple charts. Thank you. Bye.